Today, let's deal with the analytical paragraph on bar graph. So, this is the bar graph, and let's see the question. Study the following bar graph depicting major exports from Midland in the current year. Means this bar graph shows the exports from the place Midland in this current year, means present year or this year. So here in this paragraph you can see x-axis and also y-axis. In x-axis you can see the items exported from Midland, which are the palm oil, then guns, then cotton goods, iron ore, then bananas, peanuts, rice and cocoas. These are the items exported in the last year. This darker portion shows last year and this lighter portion shows this year, that is current year. And in the y-axis you can see the million of units. So these are the information we can get through this bar graph. From the height you compare the export during previous year and this year with the items. So let's see one by one how we can write. First to give the heading. What's heading? Major exports from Midland in the current year. So we can write this way. The bar graph given above depicts major exports from Midland. The export trends convey that Midland exported slightly less this year as compared to last year. From by studying the bar graph altogether, we can understand that the height of the second one, that is the lighter portion, that shows this year, that is lesser than compared to the previous year in some cases, not all cases. So concerning foodstuffs, bananas and rice showed a little less units than the previous year. Just see bananas. Here bananas. Here this is lesser than this one, right? And in the case of rice also, this year's is lesser than previous year. So compared to those two things, that is concerning foodstuffs, bananas and rice showed a little less units than previous year. On the other hand, the units of palm oil and peanuts exported were much more than last year. By studying the picture, you can see the palm oil and also peanuts. Palm oil this year they exported more, and peanuts also they exported more. And almost the same amount of cocoas were expected in both the years. So in the case of cocoas, here almost same, not was same, but almost same. By comparing the height, we can understand almost same in the case of cocoas. As regards non-edible goods, edible means eatable, non-edible means not we can't eat that. So non-edible, as regards non-edible goods, the number of guns and iron ore was much more than last year. So when we compare this iron ore and also guns, there the number of guns and iron ore. Guns is greater than previous year. Guns are exported greater than previous year, and iron ore, they are lesser than previous year. So number of guns exported more than previous year, and iron ore was lesser than previous year. However, the graph of cotton goods shows the same number in both areas. So cotton goods. Here no change, same number of cotton goods were sold in the previous year as well as the present year. So this way you can write the analytical paragraph. So study the bar graph, then you write. So let's see one more example. Another example is this. That is, the question is this. The graph below proves that even in the 21st century, the status of women is not equal to that of men when it comes to occupying high positions in various occupations. Read the graph carefully and write its interpretations in 150 to 200 words. So here the things are given. That is, you can see in the x-axis you can see countries. First one is Western countries, second one America, then Asia, Europe, Pacific, Sub-Saharan African, then Arab states, then world. These are the things given, and in the y-axis you can see the number, and what is the heading? Women in National Parliament. So percentage by region, both houses combined. So this is about these are the things with us. So you have to write this as an analytical paragraph. So how will you write? Give the heading Women in National Parliament. So you can write this way. The bar graph clearly illustrates that even in the 21st century, the status of women is not equal to that of men when it comes to occupying high positions in various occupations. The lowest number of women in national parliament can be seen in Arab states, where it is only 3.6%. Percentage is also given in brackets, so you can write that way. The percentage is a bit better in Sub-Saharan Africa, where it is 11%, though it is again very low. The number of women in national parliament is not very encouraged in the world and Pacific, where it is 13.5% and 13.8% respectively, while the percentage in America, Asia and Europe, excluding Western countries, is 15.3, 15.3 and 14.1 respectively. It is the only Western countries where the graph shows a picture of 38.1% women in the parliament. Overall, the status of women does not come at par anywhere when it comes to occupying high positions in various occupations. So that's about the analytical paragraph on bar graph. So you write these two in your notebook. Your assignment book. Okay, thank you.